Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take high resolution pictures with the 50 megapixel mode on your ZTE Blade A72S. So first of all, you have to open this camera application and open the 50 megapixel mode. Next, I can recommend you to get also the good lighting condition. You can also turn on the flashlight to get definitely better lighting condition. Catch focus and just take photo. Hold your phone steady until the post-processing will be finished. Right now you can open your picture and take a look how many details we can find on this photo, and also how close you can zoom in thanks to this high resolution mode. So that's how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching, hope you like it.